Welcome to InspireIgnite, where we empower you to achieve your financial dreams. Today, we're embarking on a journey to unravel the ultimate tactics that will help you earn $10,000 a month in the year 2024. We understand the struggles of breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, but we assure you, the solution is closer than you think. So, sit back, relax, and stick around as we decode the steps to financial freedom. But first, let's address the challenge. Many people struggle to break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. It's a common story. Despite working hard, countless individuals find themselves caught in a never-ending loop of bills and debts. Each month, they watch as their hard-earned money is drained away by living expenses, rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation costs. The list goes on. And that's not even mentioning any outstanding debts, like student loans or credit card balances that seem to loom like shadows over their financial freedom. These financial burdens can be a heavy weight to bear, especially when income is limited. Whether it's due to low wages, a lack of opportunities, or simply the rising cost of living, many people find themselves stuck, unable to get ahead. This constant struggle to make ends meet doesn't just affect their bank accounts. It impacts their quality of life, their dreams, their freedom. Living expenses, debts, and limited income hold them back from living life on their terms. The solution lies in leveraging multiple income streams and strategic financial decisions. It's not about putting in more hours at the office or getting a second job. Instead, it's about working smarter, not harder. Let's break it down. First, you need to diversify your income. Don't rely solely on your 9-to-5 job. Start exploring other income streams. Freelancing can be a great place to start. Are you a skilled writer, graphic designer, or social media expert? Use these skills to earn extra cash on top of your regular income, but it doesn't stop there. Passive income is your ticket to financial freedom. This is money you earn with little to no daily effort. It could come from investments, real estate, or even an online course that you create once and sell over and over again. Next, make strategic financial decisions. This involves budgeting, saving, and investing wisely. It's not enough just to earn more. You need to know how to manage and grow your money. Finally, always be prepared for change. The world is evolving at a rapid pace, and so are the ways to earn money. Always be on the lookout for new opportunities and be ready to adapt and learn. From freelancing to passive income, we'll explore various avenues to boost your earnings. Remember, the road to $10K monthly isn't a sprint. It's a marathon. But with persistence, the finish line is within reach. Don't just take our word for it. Meet Sarah, a former 9-to-5er turned successful online entrepreneur. Sarah was once stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck treadmill, just like many of us. Her life was a constant battle between bills and paydays. But one day, Sarah decided enough was enough. She took the leap and started exploring the world of online entrepreneurship. She leveraged her passion for design and started offering her services as a freelance graphic designer. Within a month, she started seeing a steady stream of income, but Sarah didn't stop there. She expanded her income streams by creating digital design courses and selling them online. She also ventured into affiliate marketing, promoting her favorite design tools. These multiple income streams worked in harmony, amplifying her earnings. And guess what? In just 6 months, she implemented these tactics and skyrocketed her monthly income to $12,000. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge, it's time to take action. Unleash your potential by first taking a deep dive into your skills and passions. What are you good at? What do you love to do? These are the building blocks to your financial freedom. Next, it's time to explore your income options. Have you considered affiliate marketing? It's a fantastic way to earn while promoting the products you believe in. Or perhaps e-commerce is your thing. Selling products online has never been easier or more profitable. And don't forget about digital products. Ebooks, online courses, podcasts, the possibilities are endless and can provide a steady stream of passive income. But remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Building your income to $10,000 a month requires consistency and perseverance. It's a marathon, not a sprint, so keep pushing, keep striving, and never lose sight of your goal. Remember, consistency and perseverance are key. So, there you have it, your roadmap to earning $10,000 monthly in 2024. We've explored the power of multiple income streams, strategic financial decisions, and consistent action. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires perseverance, dedication, and above all, belief in your own potential. Until next time, ignite your inspiration and chase your dreams.